Hi, there are different species of toads are found on the earth, but we find and discuss about the Texas toad. The zoological name of the Texas toad is Anaxyrus speciosus. It is a medium-sized toad with characterized warty skins and relatively short limbs. It usually measures between 2 to 3 inches in length. The coloration of this species varies but typically includes shades of green and brown with relatively blotches and spots on the skin. The Texas toad play a crucial role in its ecosystem as both predator and prey. As insectivore, they help in control the insect populations, benefiting the agricultural areas by reducing the number of pest populations. They are also serve as food sources for predators like birds, snakes, and mammals. The Texas toads, like many other amphibians, produce skin secretions that have mild toxins. These toxins or skin secretions can cause irritations if handled without proper precautions. The Texas toad is generally harmless to humans, but it is advisable to wash hands thoroughly after handling any toad species. The Texas toads are nocturnal, being most active during the night. This behavior helps them to avoid extreme daytime heat and reduce the risk of dehydration. During the daytimes, they seek shelter in burrows, under rocks and logs to stay cool and retain moisture. During the extremely hot and dry periods, the Texas toads enter a state known as estivation, a condition of inactivity during the summer. They remain in their burrows and reduce metabolic activity to conserve energy and water until conditions is improved. The Texas toads are adept burrowers. They dig into loose and sandy soils to create burrows where they can hide to prevent from heat and retain moistures. These burrows also help them to provide protections from predators. By burrowing, they help to maintain a stable microenvironments, which is crucial for their survivals in arid habitat. The Texas toads primarily inhabits in arid and semi-arid regions such as grasslands, deserts, and open woodlands. They are often found in loose sandy soils which are suitable for creating burrows. They are often found near the temporary water bodies such as rain pools which are used for their breedings. The Texas toads are primarily opportunistic feeders that use sit and wait strategies. They remain still and wait for prey to come within striking distance. Their diet consists of insects and small invertebrates like ants, spiders, and beetles and various arthropods. They use their sticky tongues to capture prey efficiently. The Texas toads secrete mild toxins from their parotid glands as defense mechanisms against predators. These toxins can cause irritations and deter predators from attacking. Their colorations provide effective camouflage and help in blending within their surroundings and detecting by potential predators. The male Texas toads produce high-pitched trailing voice to attract females during the breeding seasons. This call is essential for their reproductive behaviors and can be heard after rain falls when condition is suitable for their breeding. The male Texas toads also use calls to establish territory and to warn out other male Texas toad. The breeding usually occurs in response to rainfalls in spring and summer, which creates a temporary pools of water necessary for egg layings. The male Texas toads grasp the females from the backs. This position is known as implexus. The male fertilizes the egg externally, laid by the females in strings in the waters. The eggs hatch into tadpoles, which undergo several metamorphoses into juvenile toads over a period of several weeks. The taxonomic classification of Taxostodes includes kingdom Animalia, phylum Chordata, class Amphibia, order Anura, family Bufonidae, genus Anaxyrus, species Anaxyrus speciosus. The skin of Taxostode is rough and covered with numerous warts and tubercles, which help in protections and moisture retentions. The dorsal side of the Taxostode is usually brown mixture of brown and gray colors with dark blotches and spots. This coloration helps them to camouflage within their natural surroundings. The ventral sides of the Taxostode is lighter in colors, often containing white with white fewer markings on it. The head of the Taxostode is broad and prominent rounded snout which aids in burrowing and foraging. The eyes are prominent with horizontal pupils, which are the characteristics of the toads. These eyes provide good vision for detecting prey and avoid from the potential predators. The Texas toads have parotid glands which located behind the eyes. These secretes mild toxins as a defense mechanism against predators. These parotid glands is a key identifying features of the Texas toad. The forelimbs of the Texas toad is short with unwebbed fingers that aids in gripping surfaces and handling prey. The hind limbs of the Texas toads are strong and well adapted for burrowings. The toes of the hind limbs are webbed, which aids in swimming in temporary pools of water during the breeding season. The tympanum or eardrum of the Texas toad is visible on the sides of the head, allowing the toad to detect sound vibrations from the surroundings. The nostrils are present on the top of the snout, which help the toads to breathe during the partially submerged in waters and during the burrowed in the soil. Stay with us to learn quality knowledge with the thinkers of biology. See you soon. See you next Sunday. Bye.